Welcome back to my channel. What's wrong with my voice after I just came back from sleep?
Yeah. So what are you holding? Can I see?
A new bot, a solar panel. You can try outside if the sun is hot.
Can I see? It's hot. Solar power on it. So it's like a car. Robot, you said robot car.
You can try outside.
So, what are we going to cook today?
We're gonna make Ube Kalamay.
Kalamay. Okay. So what are we going? The things that we got to need?
We will need glutinous rice,
Yeah. How many? 2 cups.
2 cups, some sugar,
Yeah, 1 cup of sugar.
2 cans of coconut milk,
And this one.
and your Ube
2 cups
Halaya.
of ube.
Yeah, and your Ube Kalamay.
Kalamay. And we need a big bowl
With a whisk.
in a whisk. So
Let's get started with the video.
mix them together, right?
Which one?
It's an easy cook.
Which one?
Kalamay.
So we added 2 cans of our coconut milk. Now we add baking soda.
Just just put half.
Geez, glutinous slices.
Oh, this one, yeah, this ube.
All the ube.
Yeah.
Geez.
Mix that. Mix it what?
That's why we have a stronger one, Dad. Let me take over, let me take over, let me take over. Dad, I got the new one.
We'll throw this away. Broken.
I got some bonus.
Then we add the rest. Yeah.
Glutinous rice.
Glutinous rice.
And then now we add the sugar.
Yeah, you can add the sugar too. So we're using just 1 cup of sugar. If you're using a grated purple yam, it wasn't cooked yet. You can use
I found a recipe on TikTok from Grandma on how to make cupcakes.
grandma.
Yeah, cupcakes. On TikTok.
this? Ube what?
Ube Kalamay.
Kalamay.
Kalamay. My dad is stirring it now.
Stir it well. Constantly. It doesn't get more in the bottle. This part, in cooking this, a lot of mixing. You need a lot of muscle like this.
That's not muscle.
That is muscle.
No, fake.
Fake.
So, as I said, do it on this table. Hold on. So, what most people do in the Philippines is that they put the weed in a lawn and then they like, you know, add the food. If Filipinos are watching this, you do that too, I know it. They do it like this. I think they remove the stem. Dad, do they remove the stem and they're doing a feast and they put leaves? See? You can put rice, desserts, maybe the Ube Kalamay. Kalamay.
At least you try it. Too high.
It's hard.
Easy? Alright. It's not easy because it's sticky and heavy. It's like Ube Halaya.
Hard. Ow! 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 Whoa!
When you see that thing like it looks wet, that's good enough. You have to make, that's why you are heating up to make the leaves soft. Like that. Remove it. Remove the leaves.
Sorry. We can just cut that part.
You do everything. See? And it is soft.
Soft.
It's easy to put it in.
It's soft but a little bit hot.
Lola will love this.
I'll see you later. So we put the leaf without the stem here in this tray. We do that too. So I got a bit of the ube from the pan. Gotta blow it. Then let's try.
Try it with latik.
Pretty good. 10 out of 10. We'll eat again. So my dad pressed the leaves. And it's in the tray. You already know that. And now he's going to transfer that to here. It's like you're being transferred to different like things.
Tray. Banana leaves.
That's so good. No, just do a dip on the thing. Good. Why is it so good?
ube. Ube is always good. It's nice, and now we can put this one. You spread it out.
What is this?
It's from the coconut. We call it latik. You spread it.
What's this gonna do?
Tastes better when you have this.
So thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And also, right now we're gonna let this cool. And then tomorrow, once I wake up, we're gonna put it in the
Tonight we're gonna put it in the fridge.
freezer.
Freezer so it's cool down. And eat it tomorrow.
Today's it's already nighttime. What you mean tomorrow night?
Tomorrow morning. We're gonna eat it tomorrow. Tonight we're going to put it in the fridge.
It's already nighttime.
That's why I said tonight.
Tomorrow night?
Tonight we're gonna put it in the fridge. And tomorrow morning we're gonna eat it.
Okay. Are we gonna vlog it too?
Yeah, you can do that. You can include that in the vlog. Okay, thank you for watching.
Dad, sometimes they pause. We'll just see you guys in the next day. Oop, I accidentally ripped the leaf. The next day.
Good morning.
Good morning. I just woke up, set it up the table, and it's the next day of the Ube Kalamay.
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 It's breakfast time.
And I'm gonna have this for breakfast.
No, it's just for tasting. Just wanted to taste it. We're going to eat breakfast. That's not for breakfast.
Look at
Breakfast.
this, look at this.
It's a dessert.
And if you touch it a little bit, it feels like jelly.
Sige na. Get something.
Okay.
Use your spoon na. Ito, matas na oh. Even if it's cut, it's still like that.
So good. Look at it. It's good. Just to be honest, it's a 10 out of 10.
Are you sure? Okay. Alright. Time to eat breakfast, and then we go to school, huh? So love you now. Bye everybody.
Hi everybody, it's a short video.
See you on my next vlog.
See you in the next vlog.
Enjoy my Ube Kalamay.